We think students shouldn't go to college because you can save time while during 4 years. You can improve your skills and what you're good at, such as if you're good at singing, you can be a singer, and if you're good at sports, you can be a sports player and make a lot of money not going to college. And the second reason is that college classes are boring. While students are listening to their professor's lecture, they're bored and gets a lot of stress. And if you don't listen to what they're saying, it's a waste of money for 4 years. And while if studying is boring to you, you can just quit studying and do something special. Thank you for listening.